I'll have to do a scout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you want to do that, get close on that.
Yeah.
I will probably
No good, is it? No good once you start.
Anticipation. I mean, it's meant to be a struggle, you can't get the stuff lined up, man. You get all the stuff landed at the time.
Yeah, you get your landing. Well, you get your landing job. I like it because you can go wrong. You don't have to runway change. You have to